It's time to breathe, bend, and stretch. Hi everyone, it's Bethany, and today we're going on another adventure. Only this time, we're not going to go outside for our adventure. We're going to go inside. Where could we be going? I'll give you a hint. There's tigers, horses, and amazing acrobat dancers. Did you figure it out? We're going to the circus. The circus is in town. Come on, let's go. Here's what you'll need for your practice. You'll need some space so that you can move around. You'll want to have some water so that you stay hydrated. And you can grab your yoga mat and put it out. But if you don't have one, don't worry. It's totally fine to practice without one. Let's look at the poses we're doing today. We're doing chair pose, horse pose, tiger pose, and dancer's pose. Let's find our seats. Come into chair pose. Sit down and back. Your feet are together, your knees are together. Low belly's pulled in. Chest is lifting. Strong arms. Eyes forward. Waiting for the show to start. I hear something coming. Let's stand up and let's look to see. Oh, it's the horses. Here they come, trotting out so beautifully. Let's do horse pose and join them. Take your legs so that they're wide apart. Turn your feet so they face the outside edges of your mat. Grab hold of your reins. That way you can steer your horse. And let's trot along with the horses in the show. Keep breathing through your nose. And you're going to start to feel that your thighs are very, very strong. You'll feel your hips opening up too. Keep your belly strong, right under your belly button. Lift your chest. Woo! Whoa! Let's get off that horse. Straighten your legs and turn your feet forward. Put your hands right onto your hips and step your feet together. And let's see what they have coming out next. It's the tigers. Let's do tiger pose. Join along in our show. Come on to all fours. Tigers are very strong, and this pose is what resembles a tiger taking a really deep stretch when they first wake up. We're going to take our right leg and bring it up, and then take your left hand, reach back, and grab hold of that foot. Stretch open your spine. Big, big lifted chest, strong belly. Keep your balance. Remember how strong your legs were in your horse pose? Make them strong again. And then switch sides. Put your left hand down. Lift your left leg up. Reach back and grab hold of your foot with your right hand. Stretch open your spine. Hold in this pose. Pull in your belly. Strengthen your arms and legs. Big cat stretch. And release. From here, press up and back and stretch. This is down dog pose. Walk your toes up towards your hands and slowly round up. I think that the next part of the show is some amazing dancers. Oh my goodness, they are so talented. They balance, they have grace, they have really good posture. Let's be in dancer's pose with them. Come on your mat. Bring your arms above your head. Turn your right palm and then bring your left arm down like this. You want your palm facing out. And you want the part of your elbow that's soft facing out. Then bend your left knee and grab hold of the inside of your foot, the big toe side. Inhale, lift in your chest. Exhale, kick back and up. Beautiful dancer. Lift in your chest, kick with your foot, pull in your belly, go a little bit more, then inhale up, exhale, put your foot to the floor. Let's do the other side. Inhale, arms come up, left palm forward, right arm comes down. Bend in your right knee, grab on the big toe side of that foot. Take an inhale, grow taller. Exhale, kick back and up. Pull in your belly, lift through your chest, go a little bit further and change. Foot down, arm down. Stand tall, take 2 breaths, in and out through your nose.
You did a really great job today. Now it's time to lie down and rest. So lie down on your back, stretch your legs out long, let your feet and all your toes relax. Bring your arms down by your sides, your palms facing up towards the sky. Relax your face and close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Feel your belly rise and fall with your breath all the way in and all the way out. Taking 5 more breaths here. Relaxing. Trying not to move around. Breathing in and out. You'll notice that thoughts come in your mind. Just watch your thoughts drift like clouds in the sky. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking 1 more deep and relaxing breath here. And then take a deep in breath. And as you breathe out, begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Gently open your eyes. Bend your knees. Place your feet on the ground. And then roll over to one side. Press yourself up slowly and mindfully. It was great practicing with you.
I really enjoyed going to the circus with you. Until next time, bye!